this video, I'm going to be sharing how I take and edit pictures for my Instagram. First, I wanted to share a few things you could use as props for your flat lays. You can really use whatever you want to fill up the space in the pictures. Some of my favorite things to use are my laptop, mild liners, washi tape, stickers, and even my glasses. In this video, I'm going to be taking a picture of my weekly spread in my planner. After opening up to the spread, I just start placing stationery randomly all around my journal. One of the most important parts about taking pictures is having good lighting. I take pictures on my bed because it's right in front of a window, so the lighting is bright and even. I usually just use my iPhone to take my pictures. I like to take pictures in the square mode just to make sure that everything is in frame when I post it on Instagram. So yeah, that's how I set everything up to take pictures. I like to play around with different angles just so I have a lot of options to choose from later on. After I finish taking pictures, I import my favorite ones into VSCO, and on here I add filters, edit the brightness and the temperature. I don't have a preset because I feel like every picture is different, so I would have to make different adjustments. I just do what I think looks good. After I finish editing on VSCO, I airdrop the picture onto my iPad and take it into Line Camera. I get questions about how I add the doodles to my pictures all the time, and it's this app called Line Camera. I usually just use the white dotted line or the white solid line and start outlining and doodling over my picture. I also like to letter little labels to point at the different things in the picture. And usually I would stop here, but lately I've been taking my picture into Procreate and adding this little yellow square that pops up when you're taking pictures on the iPhone. And yeah, I thought it'd just be a nice touch. And this is the final product. It's up on my Instagram. If you want to see more pictures like this, go check out my Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye!